Here we're asked to solve each equation here, and so looks like we're going to set these equal to 0, and so I'm going to factor this as much as possible so that I can start solving. So first factor out the x here, x squared minus 3x minus 10. Now I'm going to try and diamond and box this here. It looks like I could do negative 5x and positive 2x. If you need more assistance factoring, I would make sure to get that practice because factoring is important. So my final solutions, I'm just going to set each of these equal to 0. So x equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0, and x plus 2 equals 0. So my three solutions are x equals 0, x equals 5, and x equals negative 2. Now for this one here, a little bit different. I'm actually going to use u substitution on this one. So what I'm going to set u equal to is I'm going to set u equal to this middle term here, c squared. Because if that's the case, then I know that u squared is the same thing as c to the power of 4, because I could square both of those. So if that's the case, I can replace these things here. So I get u squared minus 12u minus 64 equals 0. And now I'm going to solve for u. So 64u squared, negative 12u. Let's see the two things, which should be 16 and 3. Nope, 16 and 4. And 16 has to be negative. So I'm going to get u minus 16 and u plus 4 equals 0. So set them both equal to 0, and I get u equals 16 and u equals negative 4. Now, I'm not done yet because I have to finish the u substitution idea, where u is equal to c squared. So I'm going to say c squared is equal to 16, and c squared is equal to negative 4. So I square root both sides here, and I get c equals plus or minus 4. Then I take the square root here. Square root of a negative number is going to give me plus or minus 2i, because I cannot have the square root of a negative number. So my four solutions here are positive 4, negative 4, positive 2i, and negative 2i.